y'amakuru ne kuhikibwaho.
Blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love. Echiro chisisire chireche, rose from ne bakasheshe karonje.
Agacencwire kireki abantu bari kurenga muri 20 nibatekateko ko babagwira umugera gwanguse mu district ya Kagadi.
Ni lyato lya yechanga lyazura kwaniye kulimbura lyagwa maize.
Abatura batahirire polisi bari kwenda ngo bari kure chairman wabo umuru Bushenyi. Ebyoma ebiru kunyunyutana no kujeje n'amajuta byatandika kugezesebwa mu Ruhoyima City.
Emito y'amakuru yabane kuhikibwaho.
Blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love. Echiro chisisire chireche, rose from ne bakasheshe karonje.
Kare ni nyongera kutanjera makuru gitu agacencwire agekireki orukuzaga kusyaho ndi Elias Rutugusa makuru mbwijwire abatura abecare cacareni omutawuni kanso eya Pachwa district ya Kagadi bagwiremo echekango bwanyuma y'abantu abarukurenga omuro 20 okugumiza gomugera gwanguse kandi obwahati abantu abanafite bakarebekere.
Abatura ba Chalenyi omutawuni kanso ya Pachwa district ya Kagadi bari mu kucuramirwa bwanyuma y'abantu babo kugwa mu mizigo mugera gwanguse kandi tibakabonekere. Abantu aba babiri nibarugwa mu kibira cya Bugoma district ya Kikube barkwambuka okugaruka mu maka gabo mu district ya Kagadi nuko lyato babiri nibatamburiramu okwibera rikabacuruka. Nikigamba ngo lyateri ribirerumwe abantu bari hagati ya 3 na 5 na 20 kandi abantu 8 bonka nibo bahonera ikigwerereza eki.
Abantu bano babayire nibaruga omukibira kya Bugoma bakiragenda buli kiro buli nyekyakade batura de bongane bagaruka nibatone bongane bagaruka baito babayine bagaruka bene lyato lya yechanga lyazura kwaniye kulimbura lyagwa maize abantu abakubona bagwama abamuhalabo bakutugama ngo abantu babayire bahagati ya 13 na 5 na 40 abagwire mu maize zena abamu nka 10 bakutugamba basobere kuba ne bahona rundi ne basagukaho ne basubira kukolesa obukodi bono okwawukana baruga mu maize.
Hajire kigonzi cyabasa kutera lyato ryabajumikamo abantu ababali mu hahonekera abantu bake abantu nka 15 kanga harana cy'abantu ka 8 10 bonga government aturashaba mutuyambe.
Abaturano bajangwa abantu aba babiri nibarugo kuronda echo kurya nukwe kutunga butandweji.
Kanyofu nemo busasi wabayisezara nyo babiri kahiji na kachenji sasire muno ndana busasi obwingi nabantu nkora bali bayingi muno habo kulindira cheki tukulura tutakakengera abantu baitu bayinga abakyalo maizi muno
twere tesa kudanka kuyama imirambo bagamba police egambire araba kwijja nkaba marini bajya kujja kutuyambaho kutoze imirambo eyo ekitwake cyona tuinamirira abantu baitu.
Abaturani benda government gire kiyakoraho okureba ngo embiri y'abagenzi yaboneka kandi bazikwa.
Government iricyayine umurimo gw'amani gwo gukora abo kuba obuhingwire President Museveni akafuna reporting abantu bali kurya enguzi kumara ekibira cya Bugoma andi atakawire obwire bulingwa bagambire ngo barenda kutamu ebisimba nuko binuma ebyebibira birugeho azeme bisimba atorebe hagwa ekizibu cy'amani.
Polisi ya Kagadi erira hamwanyo go kurinda abantu obutazamizi bakongera kuferwa amagara gandi.
Nkabebe mbezi twalenga kujja kuri Kasese bete cyokongera twegeta kine tusangega abantu bamazire genda twalenga twamayisa polisi ya Kagadi yaija bayizirege mu bwire twalenga kukole ekibaye kisoboka abantu balema twalima kufuna n'omuntu n'omu twarugaho twaleka tukozere ntekaniza anseri omurango gunkubaha obumezi mbutwale ikintu kikuru project mugirukanize
government ero ijja kuyambiraniza niera afune enchi wamu yeyo kyo government ekufune enchi wamu bwangu takungi kufune ekikanga bwanga kino.
Julius Hachiza Alan omugambirizi wa polisi omukyanga kya Albertine South yahamya amakuraga kana jangu butandweji ebasa kuberesirwe okuta abantu bingi aha lyato.
Police responded immediately. One survivor has been identified as Biaruhanga Tumuhaise, a resident of Chalen. The exact number of missing persons is yet to be confirmed due to lack of a passenger manifest. Marine police are conducting search and rescue operations while an inquiry into the cause of the accident is ongoing.
Omukira kutwakwatiraho amakuraga enyonyi y'ebyo kwerinda yaberya higuru y'ekicweka okwetegereza embeera n'emiringo okuba kuza kuronda emibiri y'abantu. Gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.
Webare Thomas tumwebaze agwo n'amakuru g'obusasi kandi ntushasha nabo bona abo abantu babo bagwira omumizi. Reka tugumize mu namakuru abatura okurwo mu cyaro eca Katonya omurenumba omugombore yabumbire omu district ya Bushenyi erizuba bacera aha polisi barukushaba polisi okurekura chairman wabo obu barukugira ngo chairman ogwakomirwe busha Charles Kataruhwa nuwe ariyo mu kihome a polisi nkure ya Bushenyi abo kutekatekwaho kuba yahayira omukazi Jacqueline cy'umugisha owa mutabarize batyo bakamukoma.
Charles Kataruhwa chairman w'entebe yo kubanza w'ekyaro kya Katonya omurinumba mugombora yabumbire mu district ya Bushenyi nuwaryo nyuma y'emetehimbwa polisi nkure ya Bushenyi bwanyuma yo kutabarizibwa cy'umugisha Jacqueline ngo akamuhayira yataho no kumutinesereza
kugira ngo naza kunkoraho burabe kurebeka ngo imbweni yanteka ho burabe bw'amani aha mu biro gwanje na numbataka kandi abenagira bamwe biyagambera ariko jata no biyakugirata we ninteka kumuhiga mpaka
no musyaba witu tinka chikoraga
ondenya magatakunda
okurugubwe omukazi izantekwa yantabarza wa artist wanaka polisi
ebindi nebiyagamba mbwenu
twagamba na Jacqueline kitabaza kandi yatushoboraho butikirizana bwakomokire
okutina sinisubwa kwino buzare nebyo butegeki abo kuba chairman LC3 tandama hagire mu karuru ngahagira umwami pade tuyina masiko omukaruru nambera agent munonga so chairman LC3 abe nakoragana na chairman LC1 abo kambe niyende ntebe ya kabiri kurebuka ngo bateka hweze mbera banshisho mbataka bansise nkai kurebuka ngo tanatunga post yona kwesimba
kirya harimwe ko sobwire bunamuhereza kwa namuhereza weekend kirya harimwe kuronde mhande y'umurarabemo mukashikira owahababire kwena ngo mukwataga no munshonga yanyu kugwiro mwancenga
ngambo orimoru nurutuma amakagaho nemkago yafu nangwa refumu omurnyankore egira ngo nkore tiya kufire ekitwa akategaje bakuba mbite kisakuzo nubarwito rurimi so ebigambo byitu nk'abantu bikugamba tubicencuri
abatura bababingwa ha polisi kandi bahabwa kutwara inshonga zabo wa RDC aho birukangira
kandi cyamuheru ecy'abantu bingi kwija mukuratira kantu kace munonga ati mwaferwe bya PDM hari yubiha umwire bwanyu ko emyana bagiba ko kamwe bare kumaki obusinje
gashaka Onesimus nabo
webare Onesimus nabo ebyo nebyasiba omu district ya Bushenyi katugumize munamakuru okujezese byuma ebyo kunyura na no kujeje n'amajita ga Kingfisher Development Area hamwe rugwabuka omu district ya Chikube kwe kutandikire
bwanyuma y'amajuta kutemba umunsi yona kampuni ya China National Offshore Oil Corporation abari mu murimo gwo kutemba amajuta ga Kingfisher Development Area aha mwaro gwabo huko mu district ya Kikube nabagira ngo batandiko kugezesa ibyuma byo kunyorora no kujeje n'amajuta obo barukwetebekanisiza okwiha amajuta go kuzuma
Kisera kino project yasemberedde okumaliriza nga kati ekiseera tuli mu kugezesa ebyuma kino ekiseera oluzungu bakiyita pre-commissioning ne commissioning ekiseera kye tuba tugezesa ebyuma bye baateekayo nga tulaba oba bikola bulungi nga bisaana okukola babeera balaba ebyuma ebireeta amafuta payipu ezireeta amafuta buli kimu ne tanka ombera amafuta
Andrew Mbijiti orukujunanwa n'ebyamahuriro mu kampuni ya Sinok Uganda nagira ngo bariyo nubagezese byoma barukwejunisa amezi okureba yabane bikora kurungi
olumala okubiteekawo tumala ne tubigezesa ne tuteekamu kati nga babagane tuteekamu ng'amazzi n'olaba waliwo awatonye oba kikiwa byonna nga tubigezesa oba pressure ezo ezirimu ebyo ebyuma oba zezisaanidde
Mbijiti nashoborra ngo emirimo yona erimu n'okushumika ebyoma ebya Central Processing Facility ehwire
ekiseera kino tuli mu kugezesa byuma ebiri mu ssengejjero ery'amafuta payipu etwala amafuta byonna tuli mu bigezesa kati eyo stage gye tuliko nanga zezimu ku stage ezisemberayo ddala nga tusemberedde
okurugerera hari Mbijiti ebyina 2021 birikuza kutimbwamu amajuta byabonezibwe
naye waliwo enzizi nnya ezaaliwo already so naye mu kutandika wetwatandika osima 2020 twakasima enzizi 18 kyo kituwa enzizi 22 naye awamu Kingfisher
umwaka gw'2023 kampuni zahirwe empatane zo kutebekanisa ebyokunyorora amajuta ga Uganda zikatandika okusindika ebyoma okuzumu n'ekigendererwa ekyo kutandika kugashohoza omwaka ogu gashakwa nwagaba Ambrose Katoto
webare Ambrose nuwagaba Katoto nkomuringo gwo kurwana soboro na nibura ryemerumo mu maka abatura bari kurenga muri nkaga bahirwa urwezo okubahwera kutungura ebyo buhinzi urwezo uru ruhirweyo aba State House kandi baruhira abantu abo mu Rushozi Ward muri Shema Municipality
orwezo ruhirwe y'aba Poverty Alleviation Department okorogo mu makaga mukuru wihanga kandi abatungire buri omwahirwe kilo 15 ezo rwezoru
omuzira lya president wito mukundwa president Yoweri Museveni
twaretera abantu ba Rushozi Model Village fertilizer bugi omwe yatwaraho kilo 105 n'ekigendererwa cyo kugira bongere hansharura iyo mwani habugira ngo overtime itaka yishirira
cyo kubanza itaka ryetu rigenze nduwa mu obujimu especially mu biceke mu ebyo municipality parishes nka abonishatu twaresire aba science testing atwashanga mu Rusozi ene mama bare mingi ubujemu bugenze rucendera so noho tukuzire ngo turete fertilizer tutandike wona n'abahingi bamwe
orwebembere Red Josephine Chichoncho abandize kushomesa abahingi okubine kukoresa urwezo
mwamara kuzitwara mwene kuzitabura ezo bags ibiri SR na NPK mwene kuzitabura hamwe mukarebeka ngo mwari mechina 1 meter around ekiti cyo mwani because mwakitaha mwani mwene era chomesa
MPs ni bitano bangahi bona bariyo mu parliament konko witu nazayo atushakira twazo mu mashomera twihirayo twazo mu marwarira yihayo twazo mu nguta tuhiraye sente twazo mu buhingi na bwagerata mwene honorable munchize tumusime kandi tumuhije tumushabe ngo agumize mwari kutushakira takaro
abebembezi ba district ya Shema barabwira abatongero rwezo rukorugo mu wodi ya Rushozi ngo batajwanze ibyo butegeki mu program enji
obworo ekindi kibari kweta obworo ubworo poverty umunyankore nicyo kimukoze vuga ikigambo bworo ubworo tiburi kumanya dini waba yo mu Kristo waba yo mworo fine nibukutaye waba yo mu Kristayo no buri yo mworo kandi wari umusilamu nabwo no boki so bworo tiburi kumanya dini kandi tiburi kumanya political party
so hati afama zava selectinga mutenda mukorese ibintu ebyo turabe twagarukire nabishyapo turebe arwentanso
so program yengerwa mu makaga president nibageta poverty alleviation department erukurwa omucyara Joan Kakwenzi
aba State House bahereze kugaba imponoro kaga 35 muri rushozi wodi yonka embozi zero kurenga 390 gasha kwa Michael atwachiri
webare Michael atwachiri omurebe witu wa TV Sto Murunzi ni kusima aho turebera hona kandi webare na nukutorana kureba TV West turi mu makuru agacencuire konka reka manze mpumure hukace ninjagaruka n'amakuru agandi
agarukurataho nagakushikibwaho
Movit all day toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
agarukurataho abaturana bashabwe kwitantara okuremesa projects za government omoro rwampara
bobo rwire rino waye churar kuza kurukura borangara
agarukurataho gabanaga kushikibwaho
Movit all day toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kasese Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kasese Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kasese Red Tonic and Kasese Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kasese Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kasese Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, Diploma in Medical Education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Manager, ogito wagito. Ko kama tumuchidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Dio ni shara cake tukaza kunyumba.
Na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushecherera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje
Otwiro inecyetengo cyo kushuma bunasi obuzarisa Ivrin Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi ari Mbarara Community Hospital ija oyetunjiro bukugu okwandika beje basya kuri ni kugenda umisha hishomero
okumenya birakiraho Tera noti mushanju munana mushanju 50 abrinina nkaga ugambe na principal.
Ivrin Health Training Institute Mbarara City, improving community health. Hey is recruitment experts jobs abroad kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena nguri tucinda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abojo nabishiki emyaka 2001 okwisari 85 okwera cyenyonyi Dubai emirimo ka customer service airport security aviation stewards checking agents landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Hayes Recruitment niyo kampani esingira zindi zono mu Africa okuhereza emirimo ey'obujunanizibwa omwaka oguterize okwehandikisa n'okwabusha free registration amataji gitugona esimu not mushanju ina not emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga not mushanju ina itano
ebyo kwemeka byonjera koraba kankwanjulire ankole crazy limited abara kubumbira byo kwembekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumoli buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwinira na Pompeii Malta double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakwesa technology rispiria echo nabyombecyese cyangale nka bendera ya Uganda bashangali mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole crazy limited tugende twombeke
Echiro chisisireci Rose from Nempaka Shekaronji Parasia Rose Spring Rose from Ejini Biti Tokuro Busas Mukashesh Nikuko masaji Ngomuchirochuna
Werarenko mwerere n'umfaratsi gw'umutendo kandi nuguhanga umugongo ombero gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwecho rukwen Resform ensiyebero toberunji
Nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero lyonka erikyasingirayo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo urwa certificate na diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Lero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu ey'omurembe kompyuta z'ekika higuru kandi by'emizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi shomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'obwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma ey'okutambuza abeegi ebyombeko eby'omurembe hamwe n'omwanya rugogoma gw'okushomera wahangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isingiro otaka kiro mutahuni ya kaberebere okumanya biri kukiraho note mushanju 2 kaga na mushanju 32 kaga nemu Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management, we strive for quality health.
Waba takuzise momo noshanga wajira mbyo kutongana
nkuwaire 15 ate bana mama nkuwaire 15
mbe ompaire 15
abantu abakuluma atandise obuyaye mwena iwe
aduka waiboti
sente dange nizade kolera ngo binakolera sente
yitandira kutongana kozesa momo app ninga shinyiga *165*3# kushashura nabwanyima oshemerera kushashurira busha aha bishare bya hansi ya shirinje 15 agoni gomanyi ga momo
abana ba maviri abo
taha mubuze buryo omwe cyari kunywa atandika nywa habiriyani
mukama wanje torkwitenga kubuza abantu bona bari miyari papa flavored vodka
papa vodka niye kwasireyo papa vodka niye kwasireyo iwe gendo girondero zaho hurire tori kuza kunywa kindi muntu we owagikoziro mugusha gurimo enuzire teine munahango batekuteza moto takusinza papa flavored vodka simple sweet.
Kuruka yuko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi twagumizamo na namakuru agacencwire agecwe gacitu ca kabiri company ya Vision Group ekozuru mukago na naba Uganda Christian University abarukuza kwebembere mukoro yo kushabecero c'abajurizi aharubaju orw'abakurista yo mwakogo omhwezo wa chancellor owitendecereri Professor Aaron Mushengezi asimiro mukagogo agumize ngunuguza okuyamba abanya-Uganda okutunga makuru agijwire aha bajurizi aba Uganda.
Professor Aaron Mushengezi, Vice Chancellor wa Uganda Christian University, ayorekera okushemererwa ahabwa mu kagogo kandi agizire ngu wizira omubwire burungi okujanjaza enjiri ekwatirine n'ebyo abajulizi ba Uganda.
It is right and fitting that we partner with Vision Group because UCU believes in being a center of excellence in the heart of Africa. And we know in this country that Vision Group is a center of excellence in media. It's one of the respected media organizations in this country. They have a track record of telling the news as it is and also telling the story as it is. And so we believe that with Vision Group on board, you'll be able to initiate a number of story packages that will tell the story of the matters from different angles. The stories, the normal stories in the newspapers, the video stories, and other aspects of the matters there.
Omundagane kozrwe amakuru nigaza kujanzazwa hamkutu ya Vision Group yona erimu TV West, Radio West, Bukede, New Vision n'eyindi.
Ekyo tuli basanyu okuba nga tusayininga ekiwandiiko ekitugatta mu nkola eno naye tugambye nti si kulw'abajulizi bokka naye n'oluvannyuma nga biwedde tujja kuteekako emikono ekiwandiiko ekirala ekigenda okuba nga kiraga enkolagana yaffe nga bw'eneebeera n'okweyongerayo mu byenjigiriza mu by'okulaakulanya eggwanga.
Mukuru wa Vision Group Don Innocent Wanyama atabarukiza Uganda Christian University ahabwo kutoranwa kutebekanisa okushabisa aha kiro ky'abajulizi ahabwo mwaka ogu.
Breaking the walls. I think this in a way is already a way of breaking the walls as we bring together a leading academic institution partnering with a leading media organization joined by faith but also for service of man. This partnership matters to us because, as you all know, June 3rd is not just a national but a global moment where we draw millions of pilgrims. On behalf of the Vision Group, we really want to congratulate Uganda Christian University for having been chosen to organize this year's commemoration at the Anglican site.
Wanyama hona jiring Vision Group na ija kukorese mkutu yayo lijo nka digital billboards eriyo mwihanga ryona kandi baza no kutaha empaka z'ebyeshongoro by'abajulizi ezaese National Matters Carol Festival.
Also want to use this opportunity to notify our audiences out there that beyond the coverage of Matters Day, we have what is known as the National Matters Choral Festival, which will be like a build-up to the D-Day. Here we shall be bringing together leading church and school choirs that will be participating in a choral festival as a build-up to the Matters Day. We shall be, as we work with UCU, we shall be letting you know the details of how you can participate and what you stand to gain by being a part of that.
Orukuru ruchiko rukutebekanise mu college Professor John Chitayimbwa na wasimire company ya Vision Group ahabo mu kagogo kana jangu Vision Group ni era ebembere mu kutu y'amahuriro yona erikuza kuhereza makuru gokoramaga na mugongo omukoro gushyikiroho nabibe kwerinda kandi baraganise kuma abantu n'ebintu byabo aha kiro cy'abajulizi. Gasha kwa Sengendo Abdukarim.
Webale Sengendo Abdukarim kwasira abajulizi byona ntuje kuba nitubugoreka aha TV West na nemukura yitwe ndijo kandi kiro cy'abajulizi nicubaho buri mwaka ebiro 3 ebyo kwezi okwa mukaga katugumize n'amakuru abaturu mu district ya Rwampara bashabirwe okurekomuze ubwo kuteganisa na no kuremesa program eza government ezero kubaziresirwa mu cyanga cyabo.
Oruguto rutongozibwe korwa n'Rwansingwa Circular Road orukurugaha ruguto rwa Yunura urwabugamba rukaraba mu center ya Kigali kuzombyaro nkansingwa yo kubanza ne ya kabiri.
Toileta irgrading ejeboneze turete bomaga igaruka risitagirira then hari umwanya gutwarebire umishaho gusa kucama nabwe buri munonga twikizana ngo abatwa kushobaka tabukita kuri gashimpo president wabahereza arakwetaga kamara mu hari kuri munonga so tuzize ngo hari muza kutwikiriza tutine mara mu kugura tuza kutema musije go mu rwaju sa y'uruguru nayo then to feeling anta kurango habone
no mwizina rya His Excellency the President ka RDC wa Rwampara nyikureho mu butongore okuboneza no kushara urubuto rwa Nsingwa 1 na Nsingwa 2.
Engineer Muyambi Christopher umuhezi wa engineer wa Rwampara district ashoborire birukuza korwa kandi ashabara abatura kwatanisa naba engineer omukoro mu rumogu
mwenu nimbashaba twatanise ishitakushenya nenju konka nkumwani ngesti cyavake donkecho n'ebindi bintu ebitineka ebitari nkenju byo mazima wale babasigazi bita bakone bashara yachikwatamu utakaza kumujyangurika kwereza umutwaro awanje haguruki
nakoshengeza engineer twashishe bintu by'abantu nimbe manya watima kita kabarkwata barsinduka cyecugutebe motoka nabyo nibyo ngata kushobwarenguriza kusisura umuntu mazima muri byo twenda kugira obusinje twaba tukora Rwampara.
Rogers Bishanga Rwozi umuhezi wa RDC yabo Rwampara ayorekero kwatwa habo abantu abarukutahira rugudo bakatamwe misiri nebyombeko the district kiza kurushara bakateganisibwa
bobo rwire rino waye cyura kuza kurukura orangara ojorode atabishe mu batorana baza kora kaguto murangare mwikirize kahangwe ebyanyaruka kubitabura ojabura numechi kumanshyecho mwaba muzirwa abana bingi hato kahiruka bani wazakitekero kuteka ati we cyo gukora kubitandika ku bire bitocho wituteke bitocho ato ugeraho tumpora nakati oya mumunwa hato gurya nkwe kujabura mwana iba kuza kwihurira uba wawi gusere ebyanyaruka kubitabura ojorode sebo nyabe nguto ni nyingi mwe numwagirebire chance ne basa kutarakuka kugaruka yo kushara mwikirize mwashamura kanwa kandi bakura mino urukuto ruhangwi
mindset muhindura ntekateka ebyo kushisho bwire eminyoto mureke kushisho bwire eze nguto kuzija mu byaremyani muhinga butunguru muhinga nyanya muvugira kimwe ntije kushara kimwe munchiri arabyo tware kimwe jeunesse
na muno munekeresere ntusharogo muhanda no kugira ngo twase ku implementinga program ya M7 ya PD ya maitona tukumanya ngabinja bakwasire senta bakaziteko mwani batiteko muntoche kandi expecting ngo abantu basingo tutabasharo muhando mwija kuba n'umutambuza umwana rwanyu nukuza kubangora bamu
ano rugutera icyo bakatuyamba n'ibintu byito bitwinga sharura kabwo kubyadira
Tine tubetya kubona umuntu yakwatenda sanga mwana kwecuro mukora tende kuba
abamwe ombibra makanyere nkagera ngo niwe cyabakindesera ubwo ni Yesu tubusinje bwanka no kutana so mukase na nyina zaje kwato mukamwana nkamutansana no nanzire kushobora abasigazi ngo mukwate mikono yanyu muze gukora emurubaganaho
uruguto rurino buringwa bwa kilometers mukaga kandi ruza kumaraho miliyoni 100 rutekatekwa kwa Rombro abirunabyo gasha kwa Aiden Bataringaya
webare Aidan Bataringaya meya w'ururembo rwa Kabare municipality Sentaro bya Mugisha yajumera office ya IGG ahabo kutahira na no kunyigisiriza municipality ya Kabare ngwesha shure esente zirukurenga billion emwe hamwe na miliyoni 200 Kabare kushashura billion emwe hamwe na miliyoni 200 kizireho bwa nyuma y'umuhezi wa IGG Dr Patricia Achano Okidia akahetsera jiro echemyeze 2 omukwa n'umwaka gw'N2023 a company ya Multiplex Construction Company Limited kumaririza projects zengute za USMAID ezabire ziremere kukorwa umuro municipality ya Kabare arukushaba kureka okutwara umushango mukota habwo kucererwa project twariremu enguto ezarushoroza hamwe na Bwankosya zikagera okucererwa kwa mani hamwe na n'obutikiriza no mundagano.
Kabare municipality has been plugged into a liability of 1.2 billion leave alone the 1.9 billion that we ordered to pay. But we have been plunged into a liability of 1.2 billion by a mere letter writing, and this liability I've written because you have talked of public trust, you have tried of complying with the state laws, you have talked of respect for leadership, you have talked of protection of government entities.
Sentaro yashaba office ya IGG hamwe n'abebembezi bona okwatanisa okumaraho obushomankuzi.
The people pledged to be the champions of corruption, and as people here, we should be champions of corruption. Starting with the Inspector General of Government, we should be champions of corruption. Those who have not done there, those who have not done their part, as far as leadership code is concerned, let's do it.
But it is actually the mayor who has caused that, because I was here, I guided the municipality on what to do. I told them about the danger of letting the contractor go to court, and I told them to sort the contractor early enough without having that accumulated debt burden. It is now an accumulated debt burden because the mayor went against my advice.
Yagira ngo umuntu kwa rukoro murumo yagumara aine kushashurwa ari kugira ngo hanyuma ya contractor kumara umurumo akaba aine kushashurwa.
When you give a service, you get paid for what it is you have given. But when people refuse to pay in time, when the municipality did not pay, the contractor went to several offices. He went to Equal Opportunities Commission, he went to court, he went to Ministry of Finance, he went to several places. And then the accumulated interest also keeps on adding up. So this is what is owed to the contractor, and it is the obligation of the municipality to ensure that they pay.
Aba baba bari mu rukiko rwo kwegesa abakozi ba government ahakwanditse byo bugiga hamwe na nebanja ngo muringo gumwe ogukuretaho uburinganiza na no kurwana so bushomankuzi.
Just to remind them about their obligation to declare, because it is a mandatory exercise, a mandatory requirement within the law, within section 5 and 4 of the Leadership Code Act. All leaders and public officers are supposed to declare their incomes, their assets and liabilities to the Inspectorate of Government. Leaders after every 2 years in the month of March, and public officers after every 5 years in the month of April.
We have detailed issues to do with the people who declared as public officer. Along the way they were promoted, now they are leaders. Those ones need to be updated in the system.
Well, as focal point persons, actually me, I don't know our role this time around, because for what we did was inputting our staff, but the issue of changes, just a small thing, we don't have that right.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Nelson ahimbisubwe. Webare Nelson ahimbisubwe iyo district ya Rubirizi niyo kutandika okombeka tourism development center nko muringo gumwe ubwo kutungura ibyo burambuzo mu cyangecho. Ebyo burambuzi mu district ya Rubirizi nibyo yongero kubaje kandi bamwe mu bebembezi abari mu mutekateka zo kombeka tourism development center nabajanguza hwire kandi binamasiko ngo nicija kwero kutaho mutindo ombyo burambuzi mu district age.
Tourism development center. We have set our engineer is going to go on ground, next BO2s. So in that development center, it can be kind of an office. It can be a place where we shall put all, maybe have a documentary of all our tourism potentials in the district. And we believe that even these people selling crafts, they shall all be in such a facility.
Ebyo buramuzi rwa Rubirizi biriyo mbizo kutunguka a speed ya yiriyiri abo kugira kurge nyuma twazo mu quartier yitu ya Rubirizi abantu abingi bakaba batakora ebyo buramuzi k'ebyo mugasho kuzo bakaba base ngira byo buhingi byo kutunga cyuka finally abo mataka kwizana gafunda hata abantu barebere kandi tuwarize mutwire tujine amanyanja twine minjo mu Rubirizi shonka bataka gafiro garaja so kurya mebyenyanja nko wire bukire barabinega kurakuranisa akasakura kwanisa ibyo burambuzi kandi abantu aheru ba investors batangiye kwiza ko twine hoteli zikomara 80 mu Rubirizi kandi zona zikubesinga ibyo burambuzi bwa Rubirizi
shangiro ngu ebirukore byo burambuzo mu district ya Rubirizi nke ya Rutoto erukumanywa kankugute erukurwambe mwa habinyanja ebirukumanywa nka crayfish
pendinga munonga crayfish kandi kuza kuzimanya zitaruho mu kubanza imyaka byo muri yabiri no musozi babirese bigaba bitarumu nababirese babitamu bine kigendura cyo kubiriya ningira then kutwa bituryaho tugumana tubireba nibitambura takamanyira mu gasho gwabyo then antiri kubizene babironda twabakwatira basika barya amuheru bagumana biza nibatubuza
abebembezi hona bagira ngo nobwe byinyanje bibyina katare kinji na mnongo mba China akatare kabyo kachirumwe bituri
konga tubisoha bari nibo bakutukorebe toka atuno bimusindikira bawe yabiguza mitwarenga yi yiwe toyine yo katare kandi no banza wabimusindikira abona kuguza abona kusindikira se atecho nacho norangu nekizibu kikabe nkindo yuzawo uzamezora muzi kintu cyawe akabwe nakugura nko kuyaye atecho nacho nekizibu
Kasese Marcel orukumanywa ka private lecturer enkunze byo bahangwa ayorekere kizubu cyo kutahirira enyanja n'abantu bakashisha
all plastic and porcelain papers which come from the main road from the town of Nkuguti, they are all poured in this lake. And remember, we get water that we drink from this lake. As a concerned citizen and as a nature lover, it is a very big problem.
Please, let us look at Rubirizi as a tourism district. And the only way we can do that is one, just like he's saying, we need to clean our town. It looks very awkward when we call ourselves a tourism district, when we are full of litter from the entry of Rubirizi to its exit at the channel. We need to work together. We've had this challenge. We've tried as Queen Elizabeth the other side, but still most of the things are running from the hills, our craters, down.
Ebyo burambuzo mu district age okutwariza hamwe biliyoni bizaharengo rundi kandi abatura nabashaka kubikuma gasha kwa Onesimus Ndianabo.
Kale webale Onesimus Ndianabo twazagaruka tumureho njagaruka n'amakuru agandi.
The Antode School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabe jibwena abahiriza sini ya kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwa handitsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarsa na lab technology omwejero kwenda umwanya oshemire kubushyikiro kubara no rujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwari kwenda kushoma diploma oshemire kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire emyaka 2 mu field buri mweji na hawo mugisha gwo kushoma gani mashomo ga teknolojia kumwongera mugisha gwo kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri basaries zichiruko mugiro bwira eishomero nirishangwa rya Ntonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kumayibiri kukira hotera no tumshanje 8 mukaga nshanje ni 3 nshanje ni 5 ashatu na 1.
All right, listen up. Colgate is on a mission. It's kind of a big thing. Colgate Herbal uses traditional nature's herbs and combines it with Colgate Science for healthy gums and strong teeth.
Aha! Abantu mwena reba mugishangu kugwagaruka entuma Dr. Timothy no mucyara wa Rachel Nduhukire aba Upper Room Church Mbarara nibeta abacyara mwena kwijo musiterane cy'abacyara bamani ebiro 2 okwa 5 omwakogu kurugashayi 2 zakasheshe okwisashayi 12 zo mwabazyo mutafer w'abagambi bamanika omurisa Rachel Nduhukire o Upper Room Church Mbarara omurisa Becky Arinitwe o Upper Room Church Kampala kandi mugambi mukuru ni Zaburi Jaria omutwagwa kiterane reba mugabe wawe na ijahori Zakaria mwenda kusya hari 10 mucyara wotaferwa kandi ije cyangu cyamushanane yabusha.
Cooking all that makes food sweet, tastes so good like mama's kiss. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. life. Refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
And all their modern ambition pace, there is no margin for error. So much here is familiar.
Over 1900 games brought us here.
There is not a sporting heat quite like this.
But history doesn't care about the journey.
The Premier League is the best league in the world.
La Liga is far and beyond the biggest winner.
It only remembers how it ends.
You bought it. It's not a word. You bought it.
8 titles. 1 month of mayhem to decide them all.
That is outstanding from Patrick Dorgan.
Stay connected and watch DSTV to catch the football season finale this May. It's on.
waba utari kosomo nushanga byo kutangaza ibituteketeye ikire yetantara kuteganisibwa kozesamo mu app ningashinyiga *165*3# kushashura nabwanyima oshemerera kushashurira busha aha bishare bya hansi yashirinje nko 5 agone gomanyiga momo.
There's a new way to keep your breath fresh all day. Introducing Movit All Day Toothpaste, meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal. And the herbal delivers natural strength for healthy, confident smiles. Choose Movit All Day Toothpaste and enjoy freshness all day.
Pace. There is no margin for error. So much here is familiar.
Over 1900 games brought us here.
There is not a sporting heat quite like this.
But history doesn't care about the journey.
The Premier League is the best league in the world.
La Liga is far and beyond the biggest winner.
It only remembers how it ends.
You bought it. It's not a word. You bought it.
8 titles. 1 month of mayhem to decide them all.
Outstanding from Patrick Dorgan.
Stay connected and watch DSTV to catch the football season finale this May. It's on.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Here's how you chase that gray away. You're a hot air balloon that can go to space. With the air like you don't care, baby, by the way.
Yuko mu butumwa bw'abashobozi twagumizamo na namakuru agacencura geciwe kacite cy'amaheru abatimbe bati no muri Sinjiro bahirwe ebikwato ebyo kukoresa emirimo yabo ebikwato ebi bihirweyo abekitongore echatika okurwa mu ihange ryatake
ebikwate bihirwa batimbe korwa mu government yatake ahansi ya ministry y'oburambuzi n'ebyobuhangwa
Ekitongole nikyekyo TICA, Turkish Cooperation and Coordination Agency. Twabanywana, mu kubanywana twabagambira ebizibu bitwine bagira ngu binehesha honje baraza kutunosheraho bagire bibakora ki ebibaletera abarombe bitu. So ebyo reba biguzirwe tibyayibirwe buli kimwe kyashulirwe nyweni jambishende kiza.
Since 2024 until now, we have implemented more than 45 projects throughout the whole, between the West Nile, in Isinjiro area, in Soroti, in many different areas. I can say maybe 70% of Uganda I had a chance to visit and share the projects with the community.
Abatembe barukwika 303 nibo baganyirwa mukanda b'ekitongore kya Tika abahireye bikwate ibintu bagira ngo bakikozero kurinda amagara gaba babana bakora.
Vision has greatly strengthened our operations and uplifted the livelihoods of our members and the wider community. We also wish to appreciate the district leadership of the Sinjo district, led by the chairman of C5, together with all the district staff, for their continued guidance and support.
Abatimbe bati n'abatungire bikwato bina masiko ngo nibyeje kubahwera okukora kurunje mirimo yabo.
Ubuzuru bwinjo bakushara kwa bine no butagira byo kukozesa munonga na munonga byo kujwara byo kutimbisa. Umuntu tugezo kubahereza yitwe nka company onka mono usanga batabikosa je. So twashemerwa n'ikitongore cya Tika icyo ijana muri Sinjiro kandi tugezo gamba nabo ko basa kwirukangira.
Twine timba turukutimba tine girafu nangwa na butsi mwene hati yona semerwa munonga kuretika yisa yatwatiraho yatoretero butsi yatoretero girafu ndeka tindo na nebide bifate bya yatoretero ngero hiyondo na za masiki ahubwo masiki twine zitakumara.
Abebembezi ba district y'Isingiro basimire ekitongore kya Tika ahabwo kwatiraho abantu aba.
This is going to help in the sustainability of the project. Because I know some of them have quitted this job because of the bad conditions and the challenges within doing this job. But now that you have provided these personal protective equipment, there is going to be sustainability of this work.
Abatungire bikwato n'aba barukoro muri Kikagate Town Council, Kikagate Sub County, Isingiro South. Gasha kwa Felix Nduhura.
Webare Felix Nduhura babebembezi ahanyanje ya Edward George hamwe na Kazinga Chano nabashababe byo kwirinda okubayamba abajubi okurwo muihanga elia Democratic Republic of Congo abarukujubereryo ekiremise enyanje za Uganda okuzamo ebyenyanja ebigambirwa ubwabe byo kwirinda babire nababuganaho abajubi abari omu ahamyaro erukushango mu district ya Kasese.
No government ya Uganda kurabero ministry y'obujubi yacendereza amata hanyanja ya Edward George hamwe na Kazinga Chano okuza hariya 3 konka bebembeza hanyanje zino bagira ngo haba hatabireho kuzubera abajubi ba Congo okujubera mu nyanja ya Uganda nibabantu bahendekera busha
Congo inaho bchwe kanshanzo na bushato hari nshanzo na mshanzo harigana ito Uganda twinaho abuna bushato harigana. Hati kandi kuturaze kurinda nyanza tukarinda urubazu orwaya Uganda rwonka tutateireho kugira ngo na government ya Congo nayo etemwa amani babase kurinda nyanja y'urubazu rwa Congo then ntubatwayozya kandi tukankomita konka obwire nko kubura bene bugendo mu mission twendagamba n'abanyabutege cyahiguru kugira ngo neshonga ya Congo nayo bagirebemu tureke kushana abarinde benyanza ukubirindira kandi abakongo kwija bakabiba bakabitwara bakabizgo ko bayenda.
Abajube nshonga yo kucendeza amato tinkuru kureka abashyikire kumanye tumazirehe byenyanja omunyanjezi
habwo no banjanto sare nyanza amato inamba za amato ugiyo uzuka ize namba za amato n'amato go kwemisoro mu government icyakabira abantu babine mari zabo guzama engine bayo murundi abandi baguru butimba buriyo murundi ati wagira ngo agenda bibika bitenka kandi n'umuntu akudipendinga hamiza aho nchonga amati government esinike technical team baguru biza habayika ground bageni baburiza ground baza kumanyikiza ekikwitenyaza niki
nga Congo eina tutuinako 25 kuchukuma kuba ina 75 kuchukuma nali erulaba bayingira nene wafu kati fije tugenda okola kuongera enforcement ate ne cross border meetings okwogera ne bannaffe bali abe Congo kubategeeza ennaku ezo tubali tukwatagana bulungi ne gavana wa North Kivu era tukoze enkiiko nyingi n'abakulembeze bazze bangi twogera ku byenvu bembi era ne tukkaanya.
Lieutenant Warsimbi nayo ngeragera government neija kukwatanisa n'abucuru kukwataho okurebeka ngo habaho enjuba nungi
marines ezikola ku mazzi zibenga zikwatagana eyaffe neya DRC kugamba omukwano gubeerewo mu nkola sigamba nti kozesa amaanyi no tubeere nga tuwuliziganya bulungi nnyo nga tubali tukola era nga pulezidenti batulagira kubanga tuwuliziganya ne bannaffe abaliraanwa baffe.
The landing site will work as a hybrid team so that we see the benefits. Sisho shemabe kanya na local revenue ikakanya. Kundano kamba 98% ya local revenue this landing site. So the moment the fish stock increases, that means my local revenue is also increasing through fish movement permits.
Abebembeza abana bagira ngo umubaro gw'amata 3 n'umuce munonga habwo kubo kujubanuko kuba basizeho kandi nabashaba ngo bongereho nango gahika matwigana amakuraga gashakwa Gilbert Mahanguzi.
Webare Gilbert Mahanguzi worukura ba RDC mu Burengero rw'izuba akwasiza ishomero Eliambara Junior Primary School project ya mizi emazireho sente eziri kurenga miliyoni 2.6.
Omurebezi wankore wa katano Associate Professor Freshelon Mwesegwa obwakwatanise n'orukwebembera abajuja President ab'Aburengero rw'izuba Retired Colonel James Mwesije nibo bayebembera mu mukoro gukayo project ya mizi Eliambara Junior Primary School aho mu Rembo Rwambara.
We don't have any debt and we don't have any loan.
Project age hakaharmu okutimba amaziba okombeka tank n'ebindi benshi.
Tezo ziona nibukora stances iganiku kutwa abantu kora ratio ambana twine twashanga our ratio for stances is now at 23:1 kandi 23:1 twajikomperinga nezindi ya Uganda 71:1 mkuru special guest mkuru RCC ya Uganda 71:1 kandi ya UNICEF that is now international is 40:1 wana ndano za Google hata echo chimanyisa ngumbarira junior school tusima rahanga okugira ngo for us we are far above the national and international standards so necho techo kutero mu ngaro echo
miliyoni 2.6 nizo zakosibwe on project age ya mizi bakuru bishomero basimwa abo bwesegwa.
Ngenda kusima Mr. Mugume the headmaster mbene ba headmaster bari yahabunare bari musiya tumukamwegeraho if he can do it why not you twaguma twaza ahantu kutiryaha twege imo bashomesa mwe twege imo ba headmaster bari yaha twege dio yega abashomesa aba headmaster bakikuretera ubasa abakuretere projects
abashomesa bari yaha ba headmasters barga I hope where you go ni mwani muzakora ni mumodori ingeri runjeri yaha ni mwene mukora kai ukuyimukuza very important.
Project ya Tarazo nayo yakwasibwa bakuru bishomero erizobo mbutongore age eherizeho miliyoni 18 M396 enkumi rukaga makumyana. Omukoro gwahwa barukutongoza 5-year project plan obebembirimo omurebezi wankole n'abandi bebembesa abayikomwanyogo.
Mukunga tusima government ya Uganda kumwana ko yasimire sima his excellency the president kandi nabwe president mukuru RCC president akaturaganisa vocational bakashaba ngukore proof na atwara ka video
abwa TV West ndise nyomo Gideon.
Webare Senyomo Gideon reka tureba amakuru y'by'umuzano Ntare School niyo etorinwe okutebekana sempaka ezo muzano gwa cesabwa amashomero ga Uganda yona ogurukoza kuba omurundo gwo kubanza empake zo kutebekana subwa heri ya Kampala.
Empake ziri kumanywa nka Father Rhymes Schools Chess Tournament kandi ziri kutebekanisibwa buri mwaka kwijikiraho Father Rhymes watandikiraho muzano go mu Uganda nizija kutebekanisibwa hari Ntare School ku rugebero bibiri kusibira umushanje byo kwezi kwa gatanu.
So event twiro muri Kampala twirene netaba amashomero mingi ga Kampala this time round tukashaba federation event na Western region tugeza kwereka federation inga kuhamya Uganda ngu umuzano gwa chess kuzanwa muri Kampala honka
Ian nyesigaru kuri kibine cy'urwebembero umuzano gwo mucyanga cya Buguyizoba nagira ngo no mugisho muzare kureba ngo cyange kinchitorana kutebekana sempakezo mu rugo kubanzo mu myaka yone izitwirenzandwa Kampala
niyo muringo gwo kwetebekanisa tournament ya National Schools Chess Championships ya Father Grimes na yerukija kuberi ahari that school so yugwaguyo mu gwo kwetebekanisa nk'ecyanga cha Western Region
Nyesigana yongera higabazire hamwe n'amashomero okubasa kwikiriza beje kwejumbira mu muzanogo ahabwe birunge birugushangwamo
nugu letera abana baye gici bakwita concentration kucurera kubukara baka planninga ukabasa kushanga ngo tubakora ibintu badashemeka abantu bakora because every move yo kuzana mu chess nebe ine consequences kandi cyo kimwe na no mu magaragitu gaburijo
Empakezi zikatandukwa mu myaka ya 5 kwenda kwijukiraho mugenzi Father Damian Rhymes owabireho mukuru w'ishemero rya Namasagar College kandi watandikiraho umuzano wo mu Uganda abwa TV West and Aloysius byamukama
webare Aloysius byamukama amakuru agacencwire aho niho twagahendera kandi wabanaga kusiyaho ndi Elias Rutugusa nyoni ngwendezo kurara kuronje
Eshaha zabishatu zechiro na when you don't use Momo, you get insulted by strangers. Save yourself from insults. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
Ekiri kuratako
ajirwe
bana Uganda mwenna mwebale kusima bachogela hub products olw'okufufugaza endwadde z'ensusu zonna tunyiriza bato n'abakulu era basimye empereza yaffe tuleese bipya ku katale
leka ekirooto ky'omwana waawe okukola omubyenyonyi kiikirire na Uganda Aviation Academy twamiibwe ayata na UCAA
okumbereba nekushiwaho
oyine mbogoka naba mulungi ayibambe nekolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
embogo gyo kureba eyambera abantu bingi abokuba abakikuru bitu mu cyaro babwino ko ngo speed no turagane sembogo ati twakugoho tutuyuko omugenzi bamutungira ngwe mbogwere ngo no dirango inembogo y'abakikuru omukikuru ati ubu no buzuruzi ataza mwana okangambe ati nkanye nebintu abintira ati nakigezo hongo nywembogo ati no munyo tinche yagura ndojoje ati vyoherezo obujuruzi nabo iwo nywembogo nywembogo abakwembogo warebe bishaka bakugikoramo ibishaka ibibitu bakatekamo obutuzi bakatamo obwoki bakatamo mweshe kindi niki shiringira 10 akacupa omukasheshe omwihangwe na wanoza kubyamo abantu ba movement mukuruke kyankwanza now naenda kubagamba ngo hati tumwene wo kwekwasa you are the majority muri okutonzya mukurgo murugo mukutonzya mukorera abantu tumwene bakubahakanisa mwe parliament ne yani chone chimkwenda no mukirabyemo chone chumukwenda nomuchikora eje myaka 5 eje myaka 5 nebagenda abakwatina rabateganise parliament ne yanyu ba speaker ba deputy ba leader of opposition ba bona nimwe you are the majority parliament ne yanyu se iriyo kwiza tukabira nzakoreje aba opposition aba bara abarumutine tine nichupatsa kwakora nabo cho please seto nkorere Uganda jumujihindure yes muhindure Uganda okutonza kukome demwarga chankwanzi if it is corruption nimo muri corrupt nimo muraje one semwe abko you are the majority abko opposition yakwate chinto yibanejesimu I mean numumpiching and numumbinga numukwata numukoma mwine everything nabucho if it air corruption nimo muraje ones yer yokubuya embazo mwisho I want to embazo mwisho embazo mwirwaro it's you amashomero nimwe infrastructure it's you because you are the majority nimwe mwino muzindaro wanyetegeza manyito abantu abino muzindaro ito abantu abino muzindaro amuzindaro no power wachetegeza so niona kwa master of ceremony ngakho muzindaro okaza ukantero tumwende boko nebigere nezi nyindo nicho mutoko kutari hishoche immediately ko kweza nongaruka nompaka zinda hati ninkutanda onyeteza abuko omuntu wo muzindaro umuntu kwererukana no muzindaro mwegendesereza so byone byori ono okora byagamba byona omuzindaro ngaruko wa speaker of parliament nuwa kwendere chintu the eyes nuva chini nabwecho murebeke ngumwakorera abantu ataro kwekwasa muzombyaro muzom councils muzagomborra muchike murgagomborra mugende muza district murabante bagamba nyoni intanga kambabuzi members of parliament no waso takumale myaka 5 otakazaga meet agombora otakazaga district my question is if you think so biye no gambera ba abakubo no campaigning okano campaigning kora chi kutugambe byo yokuza gukora konkito tukakwaga byitu honarebo tukakwaga byitu ni mbuza kandi okubuza timanisa unimbuza I'm not asking honorable Rwamrama ni mbuza all members of parliament by Uganda ukarwamrama wona tubuza uwo tana true koka ni mbuza onimbuza abanya Uganda mwene ibi mutensa mubiye obwabe no campaign ko tukamaliza kore nguto niza kora konkani to hinde bintu bitukenda kufuto tokuzagombora mu nchiko umukazo tokuzahisasa tokuza district waheze myaka 5 ebyotensa obiye kandi ko bitensa kutagaruka ku bitugamba kwenko bireba iwe no bireba
okumbireba yaba ni kukibo
oyine mbogoka naba mulungi ayibambe ne kolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje